This is behind the scenes of Regina's storytelling. Okay. Hello, my name is Regina. Hello, playful people, storytellers. I don't know if I want to still do that because I don't know if I want to focus on storytelling, but I just want to keep making stuff. So here's the setup of my desk. It's really messy, but this is where I draw, and that's where the camera is, and that's my plates. So this is what I've done for my other pages. So this was the last page, and you can see the story at my blog. These are the dogs. Shh. Shh. So what we're drawing now is page 5 of my story. It's called The Seeking Ghost, and it's about a ghost who's looking for his meaning because he doesn't know his past. And yeah. First, I prepare my colors. So I use the schmincke, if that's how you pronounce it. My ID. And yeah, so I just take a little bit of some watercolor and then put them here and put water. So there's a trick so that your watercolor doesn't look weird. I'll show you guys. So I use Prismacolor. They're called Erase, and I'm using Carmine Red. Guys, if you don't know what to draw or how to draw something, you can always search for a picture of that and copy that. That's what I did. I didn't really copy it to a T, but I kind of got the sketch of it. So yeah. Okay, so I'm also using my leftover gouache, and I think I'll make this the color of the skull. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is the trick, guys. So the trick is to put water to your watercolor or gouache and make it all liquidy, so that when you apply it, it doesn't create it like creates a smooth texture. Like the color is, what do you call that word in English? Like even. The color processing color the applied color is equal and doesn't create like weird edges that hard edges. That's what I meant. So that's why making it wet makes it all smooth and equal. Yeah, this is called wet on dry. This technique is called wet on dry. So now I'm applying this yellow color and then just applying it again. Cool color. I added indigo to some of the brown to create the illusion of space. watching Damon and Joe again.